Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5 best KVM Switch For. Starting at number 5. TESMART DisplayPort. 5 advanced switching modes. TESMART 4K at 60 Hz KVM switch provides several switching options for different scenarios. Front panel keys for selecting manually, keyboard hotkeys for quick channel selection, mouse gesture for fast switching, auto scan with adjustable interval for monitoring and testing, and just think how cozy you could be after the whole workday. When you switch the signal via IR remote control. Batteries not included. KVM switch 2 monitors 2 computers. 2-port KVM switch perfects for hooking up 2 desktops or laptops to share one set of keyboard, mouse and 2 monitors for home office setup, gaming consoles and streaming devices. Meet the needs of your different devices, reduced clutter and free up desk space by reducing the number of unwanted keyboards, monitors and mice. Create a simplified workstation. Each PC must make 2 video connections for dual monitor setups. 1 HDMI 1 DisplayPort. Wide OS compatibility. 2-port KVM switch supports multiple operation systems. Unix/Windows/Debian/Ubuntu/Fedora/Mac OS X/Raspbian/Ubuntu for Raspberry Pi, and other Linux basic systems are included. Coming at number 4. KVM Switch DP. 4K Ultra Clear Visual Experience. The device supports resolutions 3840*2160 at 60 Hz, 3840*2160 at 30 Hz, 3840*1600 at 60 Hz, 2560*1440 at 60 Hz, 2048*1152 at 60 Hz. 1920*1080p at 60 Hz, 1920*1080p at 30 Hz, etc. Support backward compatibility and good compatibility. When both the display and the signal source support 4K at 60 Hz, the device can provide a 4K experience. DP KVM switch. Use a keyboard and mouse to easily control 2 computers to share 2 monitors. And support DP dual screen display. This function is only available on computers that support dual screen display. The device uses a more advanced DP interface than HDMI, making the use of the device more reliable and efficient. Please note that due to compatibility issues with the use of an adapter cable, we do not recommend that you choose an adapter cable. USB 2.0 interface. The device has 4 USB 2.0 ports, supports wireless mouse, supports multiple signal sources, multiple displays, and can be connected to scanners, USB printers, and other devices. The device also supports a variety of input devices or signal sources, is compatible with various computer systems, and can be widely used in various fields such as education, finance, and software development. Reminder, this device only supports key switch, not hotkey switch. At number 3. Dual Monitor KVM. UHD 4K at 60 Hz resolution dual monitors switch. This dual monitor HDMI switch support high resolution max, up to 3840*2160 at 60 Hz, and also supports 3D and 1080p at 60 Hz or other lower resolution, downward compatible. Note, only when both your source and monitor support 4K at 60 Hz then you can get 4K at 60 Hz effect. So if you want the max resolution you have to check your devices first. 2-port dual monitor KVM switch extended display. Control 2 computers or laptops from one set of keyboard, mouse and 2 monitors, which supports dual monitor extended display or duplicated. NOTE. It requires each computer has 2 video output interfaces and support extended display, plug and play. No extra power adapter required. Perfect for dual HDMI computer and notebook. Important reminder, only when your computer supports dual display or multiple display. You can use this product to realize two computers sharing two displays, extended mode or copy mode. In the process of product switching, the signal source needs to re-identify the display information. Re-output the image signal, and the window interface position will be restored to the default position. Please switch manually. Number 2 of my list. 2-port dual monitor. HDMI Kvm UHD 4K at 30 Hz. Support 4K x 2K at 30 Hz/3D/1080p resolution. Make the image display more exquisite and realistic. You can enjoy the most luxurious video with this HDMI Kvm dual monitor switch. Kvm Switch Dual Monitor. This kit help you use one set of keyboard and mouse to control two computers share two monitor. You can switch anytime. It requires each computer support two screen display functions. Highly recommend using a source with dual HDMI ports for use with this product, otherwise, that need VGA/DVI/DP to HDMI converter or docking station. Please choose the high-quality devices if the converter/docking station is not good quality. It may lead to not display or reduce the resolution. Powered by USB, it means powered by USB cables, no need external power adapter. Just connect you switcher devices to enjoy, it make you work and life easier and simpler. Come with one micro USB power cord for power supply. And number 1. CKL HDMI Kvm Switch. USB HDMI Kvm with wide compatibility, cross-support multiple operation systems and devices. Fully compatible with Windows 10/7/2000/XP/ and Mac. Also support HDMI devices like webcam, hard disk player, game console, DVR, NVR etc. Dual monitor Kvm Switch HDMI 2-port. Consoles control up to 2 computers or laptops with one independent set of USB keyboard, mouse and monitor, or 2 monitors extended or duplicated display with dual head input. The best Kvm switch to make your workspace tidy and efficient, also a premium choice for working from home. HDMI switch box with convenient switch modes. 1. Hotkey switching on keyboards that support all operation system. 2. Switch via mouse click, industry-leading technology. 3. Toggle selection on front panel. 4. Auto scan switch with adjustable interval, 8 to 999 second. 5. Wired remote switch, one-touch switch. Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.